Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. PageCloud is a website builder that allows individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. It offers a drag-and-drop interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it easy to design a website that meets your specific needs. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, PageCloud provides the tools and features to bring your vision to life. With its intuitive design editor, you can effortlessly add and arrange elements such as text, images, videos, and forms. You can also customize the layout, fonts, colors, and other design aspects to create a unique and visually appealing website. PageCloud offers a variety of pre-designed sections and blocks that you can easily drag and drop onto your pages, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, PageCloud provides built-in SEO tools to help improve your website's visibility in search engine results. You can optimize your website's meta descriptions, title tags, and URLs to attract more organic traffic. The platform also integrates with popular marketing tools, allowing you to connect with your audience and track your website's performance. PageCloud offers different pricing plans to suit various budgets and requirements. You can choose from a range of plans that offer different features and levels of support. They also offer a free trial, so you can test the platform and see if it's the right fit for you before committing to a paid plan. Creating a stunning online presence is now more accessible than ever, thanks to PageCloud's user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web designer, PageCloud empowers you to create a website that reflects your brand and achieves your online goals. They offer robust customer support and a wealth of resources, including tutorials and documentation, to help you along the way. Consider exploring PageCloud for your next web project and experience the ease and flexibility of building a website with a powerful, yet intuitive, platform.